Hey everyone, I picked up some Gateron Milky Yellow switches for a small upcoming video, and I decided it would be a good idea to put together a short review of them. If you've done research on switches looking for a budget option, I'm sure you've come across these switches before. Being a new keyboard content creator, I wanted to check out these switches for myself and see what all the buzz was about. Gateron Milky Yellows are from the Gateron Yellow family. There are 5 variants of Gateron Yellow switches, each featuring the same pump stem, but with different top and bottom housings. 2 of the variants could be considered Milky Yellows, KS3X1 featuring both a milky top and bottom, and KS3X47 featuring only a milky top. And this was the variant that I ended up picking up for myself. Apparently these are a bit smoother than the double milky housing, but because I don't have those on hand, I can't really do a side-to-side comparison. The milky material is a mix of polycarbonate and nylon, and the bottom is made of just nylon. By far the biggest selling point for these switches is the price. I got 70 switches for only $16.10 on Divinity. Usually I'm paying closer to $1 per switch, so already I understand why they're such a popular budget option. As for other stats, they have a 55 gram actuation force with a 63.5 gram bottom out. I've heard people compare this weighting to more than a cherry red, but less than a cherry black. The pre-travel is 2mm with a total travel distance of 4mm, which is pretty standard. And lastly, you can find variations with both a 3-pin and 5-pin connection. I would recommend these to people who might have their first hot swap keyboard and want to try to change their switches for the first time. They're a really cheap option to pick up and will help you learn more about switch modding if you ever decide to lube or film them. And for prices like this, it's not the end of the world if you mess up, because you can always get more and try again. Okay, and now I'll leave you with 2 short sound tests. The first will be a fully stock version with no mods, and the second sound test will be after they've been lubed and filmed. If you liked the video, remember to subscribe, and a quick shout out to my Patreon because you guys are awesome. And with that, let's get to the sound test, and thanks for watching.